Good evening everyone, this is Tanvi Reddy of 10th standard. I feel so blissful to welcome you all to this auspicious occasion of Paramita TET Student Talks. A person who may seem blessed by a lot of people can still feel miserable because of his own thoughts of negativity. Alternatively, someone can still be with full of love and happiness even though they face any hardships. It's only a matter of being able to think positively despite everything they may be struggling with, no matter they face any challenge. There is something truly admirable about the people who see the silver lining in every dark cloud. Perhaps you may know of someone who always carries a smile on his or her face no matter they face any challenge, no matter how big the challenge may be. You may wonder how they are still able to do so, especially in today's society. After listening to my presentation, you will come to know how to focus on good and how positive thinking can change one's life. The most obvious advantage of thinking positive is happiness. Good things put a smile on our face, no matter how small they are. A lot of people chase after many things, such as money, career, prestige and fame. But all of them are in the search of the same thing called happiness. When we start seeing everything in a positive way, we will find many reasons to be happy and smiling all the day. There's a popular topic that says people who are happier can live longer. A study shows that old people have a 35% of chance of living longer if they feel happier and energetic. This just shows that once we start to see everything in a good way, we will find more reasons to get attracted to the good things. When bad days come our way, just focus only on the good. In this context, I would like to narrate a small story to you. One day, a professor entered a classroom and announced a surprise test. Hearing this, all the students got anxious and started thinking what would come up in the test. After some time, the professor distributed all the question papers in which the front side is lying down. After some time, he told the students to turn the page and start writing the test. To everyone's surprise, there were no questions on the question paper, but just a small dark black dot at the center of the page. All the students were startled and looked at the professor in awe. And the professor told the students that, I want you to write a few words on whatever you see on the question paper. All the students were stupefied, but since they don't have any chance, they started writing the test. When all the students were through the test, the professor started collecting all the answer sheets and started reading out all the answers in front of the whole class. Without an exception, all the students just wrote about the black dot, mentioning its size, position, color and so on. After reading out all the answers, the professor told the students that no one will be graded in this test. I wanted you to ponder over something. All of you just wrote about the black dot, but no one wrote about the white part of the paper. The same thing happens in our lives too. We have many things to celebrate, like our parents, our co-workers, our friends, a good health, a satisfactory job, a child's smile, the miracles we witness and so on. But we simply limit our horizons by just focusing on the insignificant dots like our failures, our disappointments, the things that bother us, the people who worry us and so on. Though these dark spots are quite smaller than the good things, yet they don't permit us to see the good in things. There is something that truly makes a smile on our face, but there is something that truly touches our heart. Every time when we face any problem, we may not know what makes us happy, because we are exposed to too much negativity in this entire world. When we just think of giving up, just do something new and be spontaneous and see what put a smile on your face. Being exposed to too much negativity over this long period of time, it is very difficult to focus on good, but yet we must remember that we are not here to live a miserable life. Each one of us have the right to find our own joy and happiness. To do this, we need to focus on good. Many people say that stay with good people and be away from bad people. But I say that see the good in people and ignore the bad in them. I say that see the good in people and ignore the bad in them, because no one is perfect in this entire world, including you. Stay good, do good, be good and focus on good. Thank you.